Hey, Andrew here. I would like to talk to you about information security today. So, you probably heard a lot of news recently about coding agents deleting disk drives for developers or stolen cryptocurrency by rogue npm packages. Let's talk about working with WSL subsystem today, how it could be used and how it could be hardened to avoid any leak of the data. What is WSL? It's running pre-made images of a Linux system on Windows, and by default it has very relaxed security settings. Let's see. I have console open and you can see I have Ubuntu image pre-installed. It's set as default image, so if I type WSL, I will get straight to this distribution. And as you already see, I was on the projects folder on D drive on my host machine, and when I went to WSL, I'm exactly at the same place on the Linux machine, so which means it has access to my D drive. And it's rightly so. If we go to MNT folder, list all the contents, we see there is C drive, there is D drive. If we switch to C, see it's like full C drive. It's actually all your personal files are right now available from WSL. Many of them editable, so most system files are actually protected, and it's nothing running in WSL can harm host system, but still. So your documents, your pictures, your videos are available for WSL. And if you're running coding agent, like anything CLI, it will have full access to all of your drives. We can easily narrow down access of WSL to a limited set of folders instead of like wall drives. How to do it? We need to edit two files. Let's use nano editor, and we need to edit WSL content. You will be only able to read files, not modify them. We need to do two simple things. First of all, we need to add new section, auto mount. It controls what external drives will be attached to WSL. And, well, obviously in this case, we want auto mount to be disabled. And if we just disable it, we won't see any folder of host machine. And we still want it. We want to connect, for example, projects folder, and now narrow down access to projects, and we can do so. We can use FS tab to connect just a portion. Do it like this, and then we need another section. We need append Windows path to be false. Yeah. Why is that? By default, WSL tries to append all the contents of path environment variable of host machine to WSL machine, and as we disable auto mount, it will fail and you will see lots of error messages. So now we save, exit, and we need to update another file. It also requires super user access. Let's use nano etc fs tab. By default it's empty. Let's make it not empty. Let's see, I have project folder, and let's connect this project to the WSL machine. Let's copy path and add a new line. We just need to invert the slashes, and now we need to specify directory where it will be connected. I guess it will be like this. Okay, Then you need to specify all these parameters. Doesn't matter what they mean right now, but they're required. And obviously you can have as many entries here, so I can connect another project just right away. Let's connect this one. 0fs default 00. Save, exit. And to apply changes, we need to shut down WSL subsystem completely, so it reads these configs. To do so, do this command, and it's killed. And now if we sign in again, let's go on. Okay, so now let's check command C folder. What we see? Actually, we still see C and D, but if we switch to it, it's empty. D also empty, not connected. And let's go to my project folder, my SQL schema compare. Yeah, you see it's there. So I'm not sure if I have Node.js. Let's install it. And let's see. Yeah, can't remember with all package managers what is the command. We see that connected project builds just fine. Control runs. Yeah, so there is no configuration. It complains it's not present, but it's built sources successfully from TypeScript to JavaScript and attempted to run created build. And so I can use editor IDE like VS Code on host machine and edit files, and simultaneously have access to this project folder from WSL to run builds, to install packages, and not be in danger of running any hooks or scripts that could steal my data, or like cryptocurrency wallets. That's what I wanted to share with you. Stay safe, limit access of these tools to your project, especially if you have pricey assets. Please don't put them in danger. So hope it helps, and bye bye, until next time.